Hello guys and girls, welcome back to another video. I said up from the title, I said I was going to show you how to get free chess.com game review analysis. Now, you could do this a couple ways, importing from Lichess and chesswintercat.uk, but I'll show you a better way to do it on the site. So what you want to do is, and I'm using my friend's chess.com account, so what you want to do is go here and we'll do this one right here, and what you want to do is right click and copy the link. What you want to do is go to this website. I'll put the link in the description and I'll put it on the screen. So what you want to do is go here, enter, copy and paste the chess.com link you just copied, and then click send. And now it's completed. So now you just refresh the page, and there you go. It reviewed it. So you can do this multiple times, like I can do here, copy link, here's send. Oh, or you may have to refresh it, wait. Yeah, refreshing it. Blah, blah, blah. And here. Yeah, and then there you can review multiple games. Completed. And refresh. And there you go. It works, and I can click on this and show you. Yep, and it works, and you can review all of this. Yep, and it works pretty well. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will make more chess content like this. Peace out.